Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how I traded GBPJPY post CPI. So what I saw was a 4-hour candle range getting swept here. I waited for M15 to close and then on M10 I entered on the retracement. So let's go to a lower time frame. Nearly discount, nearly. But we had like this engulfing, which isn't really perfect, but I decided to pull the trigger because CPI usually gives big moves even after. So I targeted the high, and then as you can see we had another CRT sort of, but on the daily. So I could have traded the short here, but I didn't, and my entry trigger would be this EG, and then I would target this low, and I would take profits at 50% of the range, which would be here, which would be 6 hour in this case, and it's Friday, so I wouldn't really probably actually hold this, because I don't think it would be a big move to the downside, especially looking at the higher time frames. But yeah, two opportunities today, and then I will show you also Nasdaq, which I didn't trade, but there was an opportunity. So we had this imbalance or whatever, then we traded below this liquidity, swept it, tapped into the imbalance, and then went up for these highs. Here was an SNR on 15, on 10 here. Here was another one on 10, and on 2 minute it would be here, which I don't go that low usually. But measuring this whole range, it would be nearly OT. And again, all of this is in discount, so good place for buy. I only traded GBPJPY today and USD/JPY, but it was a swing. I will show you this. I posted it on my Instagram. So imbalance, liquidity, sweeping into this hidden base on the 4 hour, which would be like M15 EG, as you can see. And I traded it, had a limit order at this low, stop loss here, and I'm holding it because it's a swing trade for me, because it's based on the higher time frame trend. And yeah, the draw would be here probably. The next one would be here. The next one here. Okay, if you have any questions, let me know in the comments.